This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Douglas Piazza. This beautiful home captures the essence of Florida living in beautiful Tavares, the Seaplane Capital. From the moment you arrive, the meticulously landscaped yard welcomes you. Inside, the floor plan offers a living room and dining room combination which is perfect for entertaining. The living room opens to an enclosed lanai inviting you to enjoy indoor-outdoor living at its finest. The split floor plan includes a master suite, with its own access to the lanai and room for a reading nook or office. The master bath features a walk-in shower, double sinks, handicap accessible and a spa-like atmosphere. The upgraded kitchen opens to the family room with a beautiful stone accent wall. Off the family area are 2 additional bedrooms and a guest bathroom with a solar tube skylight. Upstairs, the 4th bedroom and bonus room provide endless possibilities. With panoramic lake views, the bedroom boasts 2 closets and a bonus area complete with a wet bar and bathroom. This area can serve as a game room, exercise room, craft room, man cave, or even a guest suite. The air conditioner was replaced in October 2024 with 3 separate zones. Large driveway with an oversized 2-car garage, golf cart garage and plenty of parking and storage space. Royal Harbor is a gated 55+ golf cart community offering residents access to a storage area for boats, RVs, and other recreational vehicles. Amenities include an Olympic-size enclosed pool, pickleball and tennis courts, and a clubhouse featuring a gym, craft rooms, library and a billiards room. For more information, review the details below or contact Douglas Piazza at 352-978-6639.